Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Gul Knowledge Hub. Today's episode is very special. Special for me, and it is close to my heart. Why it is close to my heart? Because this episode is specially designed for all the homemakers who are struggling with many challenges, who have many dreams in their eyes, and sometimes it happens that their dreams are broken, sometimes their dreams just die in the eyes of them, and there is no solution for them. My dear homemakers, my dear women, you are managing your homes, you are you can say the CEO of your homes, you are managing each and everything. When someone asks you for a help, you are always there. When someone is ill, you are there to nurse, to just look after them. But my question is, if you have dreams, if you have desires in your heart, who will nurture them? Who will nurture them? It's very good that you are strengthening the bond of the society. You are educating the young minds. If you are mothers, then salute to you all. If you are not mothers, you are the daughters. Salute to you as well. Sometimes you just sacrifice all your wishes for the sake of your family. Sometimes you have dreams, but you do not just look for those dreams. You just sacrifice all these things. But why? This episode is specially designed for you. I felt your pain when someone approaches me, ma'am, how can we get education, you can say, of English language? We want to speak English language. We want to change our lives. We want to do for ourselves. We are confined within the four walls of the house. Is this house sufficient for us? Then my answer is that thanks to the technology, to some extent, that you are born in this technological era where you are not confined within the four walls of your house. You can raise your voice, you can fulfill your dreams. But the problem is that, my dear women, my dear homemakers, the first step you have to take by yourself. Sometimes there are many women, I have created some groups. There are many women, they are discussing. Sometimes they feel shy. They became the member of the group, but after that they become silent members. I do not want you to be the silent spectators of your life. No, not at all. Silent spectators, observing each and everything, observing the ups and downs of your life, feeling the pain. Going through that pain is easy. Describing the pain of all those feelings which are dying, an unnatural death, is very difficult. So my message, I will show you the true path. No ambiguity, no artificial reality, nothing at all. This video is not for the sake of making video. No, not at all. I feel your pain. I am with you. I want you a true solution. And the rest of the things lies with you. How you are putting effort. Because there are 24 hours in your life and you have dedicated all your 24 hours for the family. Can you not separate 1 hour, only 1 hour, for your personality, for your growth, for your nourishment, to get out of your trauma, to fulfill your dreams which are dying unnatural death? Why not? 23 hours are for your family, 1 hour is for yourself. First of all, you have to prove to yourself that this 1 hour I will spend this 1 hour productively. Because this 1 hour is my universe. This 1 hour is my life. And I have to achieve something through this 1 hour. First, make a schedule in your busy life, in your domestic life, in your household chores. Spare 1 hour and hang it somewhere. This is my hour. This is my hour where I will fabricate my own destiny, where I will fabricate, where I will build my own castle, where I will be the queen of that hour. Just hang somewhere. Hang somewhere. This is important. Now the second thing I would like to highlight that is that now there are many groups, but before entering into the groups, because when you are in those groups, the first thing is you can hold a conversation. Good. But how can you hold a conversation? You have to work on your basics first. You have to inculcate confidence in yourself so that you can master the art of speaking confidently, clarity. It should not happen that you are jumping into a conversation with unprepared condition. And what happens then? No results. Only traumatic condition, only depression and anxiety. I don't want you to be in that phase of life. No, not at all. So my first advice is that now Sparky is a very great platform I would say. Join Sparky and join and ChatGPT is another your companion, and now it is up to you how you can integrate, how you are incorporating or how you are benefiting from a ChatGPT as a benefactor, as a friend. You can ask as many questions as you can through voice note. Now when you will have a conversation with ChatGPT in text form, in audio, or in audio form or in text form, what will be the benefit? You can say each and everything, you can ask each and everything which you cannot ask from any person, because there will be in your mind that how can I say this word, what is the proper sentence for this situation, what are the proper grammatical situation, is there any grammatical error in my sentence. You can ask different kind of multiple questions, or provide me a list, provide me just a paragraph to describe a wedding ceremony. For example, a wedding ceremony, I want to discuss about wedding ceremony, but I do not have the word bank. How would I say? So ChatGPT would formulate that paragraph. Now you have to just read out that paragraph twice, thrice, or as many times as you can. And if you can note down, after reading out, just note down that paragraph in your own words on some piece of paper. Now you have read, you have written. After writing, give it a twice or thrice method of reading. After reading, now after reading, you are in the position to discuss different aspects, various aspects of wedding. Now go back to ChatGPT and just say that let's have a conversation, let's have a dialogue on wedding with and the questions should be from the paragraph which you have created for me. Now believe me, it would be a smooth sailing, for you, and it would be the stepping stone for you to speak English in a confident way. Now first time you have done it, you will feel that now I can converse. If I have the information, if I have the content, if I have the vocabulary, sentence structures, proper material, I can have conversation with anyone. Second day, every day, this should be your routine. This is the best method, my dear audience, my dear woman. Next day you can have Basant. Provide me a paragraph on Basant. The same process, reading, and then writing. After writing down, go back to ChatGPT and say that let's have a dialogue on Basant. And each and every day, now it's your duty to fulfill 30 days challenge for you. 30 days, 30 topics of your own choice. Beautification, manicure, pedicure, how to look after the home, how to speak on any topic, whatever is coming in your mind. For 30 days, it is your challenge from now. Adopt this challenge for 30 days, one topic each day, and you will see that now the graph of your confidence is not only uplifting, but you are in the spoken mode, and you will not resist. After 30 days, you can accept 60 days challenge, 90 days. If you do it for 90 days, it means that you have mastered 90 topics. And not only you have mastered 90 topics, you have read those 90 topics, you have written for 90 times. Not only you have written for 90 days, you have engaged yourself for 90 times in dialogue. And don't you see, and don't you just notice that after engaging yourself for 90 days in a conversation, in a dialogue, you will come across how a dialogue should be, how it can be in a flow, smooth way, and when there are no words, how to interact, how to engage the audience. So accept this challenge, prove yourself that you are the best. You are the best. You are already the best. You are already the best. The thing I want you to realize that now you have to do something for yourself. Don't say don't live and don't see that your wishes are dying. No, keep them nurturing, keep them nurturing. Water them with hard work, water them with hard work, and give them the shine of your consistency, and the fruit will be in the form of your spoken English. And when you will speak English, just return to this video and say thank you, ma'am. It would be my reward. So with this positive note, I certainly end this video. And if you have got anything plus point, please share with all those women who are depressed and who do not want to do anything. So with this positive note, I certainly end this video. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.